Historic DeLand is the county seat of Volusia County, also home of Stetson University, which is a very beautiful campus. It's really close to Orlando and Daytona Beach, kind of the upper east central Florida. It's also called the Athens of Florida. It's got about 37,000 people, and there's lots of springs and the Ocala National Forest nearby. It's a really pretty downtown, so if you ever get a chance, check it out. What I really liked was there's some cool coffee shops. There's some really cool bike shops, which I really enjoyed. And there's this really cool, this is a theater actually, was what this is. I actually went to a show here one time. It's a really pretty theater. But anyway, this is where DeLand is in Florida. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And let me know if you've been to this beautiful city.
watching, and please subscribe.